Today it's time for breakfast. We will prepare homemade granola with Greek yogurt. We will need oats, chia seeds, berries, honey, banana, Greek yogurt, vanilla, cinnamon and olive oil. Step 1. We put the oats in a pan with low heat and we add a big spoon of olive oil. We move everything during 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when the oats are brown, we put a little bit of vanilla and also we add the chia seeds and we move everything. Now we add the honey. You can put 2 big spoons. You have to move everything all the time to mix all the ingredients and to get a crunchy granola. When the granola is ready, we prepare in a bowl the yogurt. We're gonna put 4 big spoons. And we are gonna add also the berries. We will use half of a banana, so now we have to cut it in small pieces and add it in the bowl. Finally, we add the granola in the bowl. You can add the amount that you want. It seems very crunchy. If you want, you can add also a little bit of cinnamon. And it's ready to eat. Yeah. Let's try. Let's mix everything.